Are you serious about gardening? Then you'll know your tools are your best allies. Whether you have a balcony garden or an acre plot garden, these are your go-to tools to get the job done. Secateurs are a staple for trimming and pruning your plants. These handy tools are perfect for shaping shrubs and removing dead growth. After each use, wipe them with a damp cloth to remove sap and debris and give them a light spray of oil to protect the blades and prevent rust. Stubborn and dried sap can be removed with some fine steel wool or a sanding block. Next, the hand fork, hand trowel and lawn weeder. Great for digging, planting and weeding lawns and tight spots. These tools help you get deep into the soil without the hassle. Wipe them clean with a damp cloth after each use and store them in a bucket full of sand mixed with cooking oil. This helps prevent rust and keeps them sharp for the next use. And let's not forget your trusty hose pipe. Resist the urge to leave it lying around. Roll it up neatly and store it on a retractable reel or bracket to prevent kinks that cause leaks, keeping your garden or shed tidy. Regularly check nozzles and fittings for wear and keep spares on hand for quick repairs. Save time and money by following these simple care tips for your garden tools. Your trusted gardening buddy deserves it. For all your gardening tools and more, visit your local GCA garden centre or head to lifeasagarden.co.za to find one near you.